Welcome to our teeny tiny tour entryway edition.
So we've wanted to redo these steps in our bus ever since we converted it. What it came with was just this red rubber utilitarian kind of flooring, and we didn't care much for that. We wanted something that would kind of help keep the dirt and filth out of our bus more. So we tore all of that out, and what we ended up getting was this snap together flooring from IKEA. This is a solid acacia wood that is actually mounted on a plastic frame that holds it up, and it ended up working perfectly.
Matt was able to cut it down so it fit right into the stainless steel lip that already existed on our stairs.
So we are about to see how much of this actually, or how well this actually worked.
And this is actually just the IKEA
It's like a park
patio kind of stuff.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow.
Gross.
Oh my gosh, that would be floating around in our bus. Okay, well, we know it worked. That's great. Now let's clean it. That's gross.
Look at that.
When your yard is ever changing and often in the desert or forest or whatever, you bring in a lot of dirt.
Look at that. That's just one step.
And the dog hair. Like, it's trapped a lot of dog hair, which is great.
Yeah.
So I'm actually really happy with this. This is disgusting.
This is disgusting, but
excited to clean it, but
it's getting trapped.
I'm really happy that this isn't being trapped around our bus and into our beds and all of that. That's great.
Oh, it's working. It's working.
We wanted a place to commemorate all of the great places that Gus Gus has taken us, as well as some of the great people that we've met along the way. So we used the stainless steel panels just in our entryway to keep our sticker collection. Just up the stairs, we have a couple of shoe baskets mounted to the front panel, just for our everyday shoes. And on our narrow dashboard, we keep a couple of decorations to make it more home-like.
Directly up from the stairs is where we store our guitar. So it's kind of easy access, and then we have our coat hooks and hats right there. And kind of as an homage to Gus Gus, this is the original upholstery with the Statue of Liberty theme. So here's a quick overview before and after. We're just really happy with how it turned out. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.